Hello there. On this video, we are going to be creating conversion-focused ad creatives using adcreative.ai. When you're on adcreative.ai, getting started is pretty easy actually. What you need to do is to create your brand first, your brand name, your brand logo, your brand colors and brand description, and you can also connect your ad accounts if you want to. This way, adcreative.ai can actually learn from your data to bring you better creatives and better predictions. So, I already created my brand. I'm going to be using adcreative.ai today. After your brand is created, you can click on generate and then click on add creatives. That's going to bring you to this screen where you have two options, social media sizes or display sizes. Let's say today we are advertising on Instagram, so we need a square size. My project description already comes from the brand description, so that's ready to go. And on this example, since I'm using adcreative.ai to generate for adcreative.ai, I'm going to be writing my target audience are as advertisers. So since my target audience is ready, I can go ahead and write my text, or I can use our text AI button. Text AI button is basically generating some headlines and punchlines using artificial intelligence for high conversion rates. So they are already ready. Ads made easier with adcreative.ai, generate conversion ads with AI, create ads now. If I'm not happy with the second one, I can go ahead and make ads smarter with adcreative.ai or conversion ads easier than ever. So that looks good to me. No need to change anything. Then I have two flows. If I have several different backgrounds, if I have several different products that I want to generate all at once at scale, I can use the second one. But on this example, we are going to be using the first one. I have no background right now with me that I can drag and drop. So I'm going to be using the image search engine of adcreative.ai. And let's say that Facebook. So since we are talking about Facebook ads, I'm just going to search for Facebook. Let's go ahead and find one that makes sense to us. This one, why not? I selected it, looks good, the logo is there, and basically that is pretty much it. So let's put our test as a save project. So basically here what I've done is that adcreative.ai already knows about my brand, now my project, now my target audience as well, and which size that I need. So basically adcreative.ai is going to use all that data to generate conversion focused, ready to use ad creatives. So as you can see, there is over 100 ad creatives here that is going to be there. And if you like one of them, let's say this design looks really good for you. What you can do is that you can use one of your credits to download that and directly use it. And here you can see that not only adcreative.ai generated those creatives, but also scored each one of them. So based on our artificial intelligence, these ones actually are the ones that we predict that is going to perform the best. So that's pretty much it. If you like some of these creatives, but if you don't want to download and upload, you can also select them and directly push them to the platforms. And my favorite feature is that if you like one of the designs, let's say you really like this one, you can click on this button, which is going to go ahead and turn this same creative into several other formats, so you don't have to create projects again. So if I'm going to go ahead and publish this also on stories and Pinterest and LinkedIn, etc., or display sizes, all these creatives are ready, generated. I can directly go ahead and use one of my credits to download that as well. So that's going to be pretty much it. That's adcreative.ai for ad creatives. If you haven't tried it yet, we have 7 days free trial that gives you 10 free credits, no strings attached. Go ahead, try it, see if the results are good for you. If yes, you can continue. Thank you.